everybody, Holly here from HolliDay, AnyDay, and what are we gonna drink today? Well, as you can see, we're in our outside bar, which is sort of fun, something kind of different. But we're gonna do kind of a throwback old school cocktail. I found this interesting liqueur called creme de violette, and it's really interesting and really perfumey. And we're gonna make a cocktail called a Blue Moon. So here's how it's gonna work. We'll start with some ice, of course, in our shaker. Then, let's use some aviation gin, because we all love Ryan Reynolds so much. Okay. Do a few jiggers of that. Okay. Then, let's go ahead and use some of our creme de violette. Now this is actually even tasty by itself, but it's super perfumey. It's really unique. So, a little splash of this guy. Most gorgeous color. Ooh, look at that, isn't that gorge? Then, a splash of fresh lemon juice. Super simple. That's it. Give them a little shake. Very cool. Check this out. It's probably gonna drip on me a little, let's see. Ooh, isn't that fun? It's actually more lilac-y than blue moony, I guess, huh? So pretty. And I think we'll garnish it with a very, very pretty little edible flower. Just float him in there. Isn't that pretty? Cheers, let's give him a taste, huh? Super unique. That liqueur is really different. Like I said, don't overdo it because it would be too much. But it's lovely. The creme de violette, just very perfumey, kind of like eating a flower. Give it a try. It's easy breezy.